In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your initials in Microsoft Word. Your initials are used in features like track changes and comments, so updating them ensures that your edits and feedback are correctly attributed. This is especially useful when multiple people collaborate on a document or when you want to personalize your editing profile. To begin, open Microsoft Word and go to the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Options to open the Word Options dialog box. Inside this window, click on the General category, which is usually the first option on the left. In the General section, look for the area labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here you will see fields for your name and initials. Click in the Initials field and type the initials you want to use. You can use 1, 2, or 3 letters depending on your preference. Make sure they accurately represent you, as these initials will appear whenever you make tracked changes or add comments. After entering your desired initials, click OK to save the changes. From this point forward, any edits you make with track changes or comments will display the new initials, making it easy to identify your contributions in the document. If you are working on a shared document, this update helps others clearly see which edits were made by you. Additionally, it's a good idea to check the username field as well, especially if you're collaborating with colleagues. This ensures that both your name and initials are consistent across all Office applications and documents. You can also change these settings at any time by returning to the Word Options menu. And that's it. You now know how to change your initials in Microsoft Word to properly identify your edits and comments, making collaboration and document review more organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.